Hello students. So in this video we are going to discuss about MH-LAWCET, right? As you know that Maharashtra LAWCET exam is conducted to enroll students into various colleges of Maharashtra, right? Particularly government law colleges, but the marks are also considered by some other private colleges as well. But the main focus of students remains on two of the important colleges under Maharashtra LAWCET, that is the Government Law College GLC Mumbai and the ILS Indian Law Society Law School Pune. Now we are going to talk about the entire process of getting yourself enrolled into this particular colleges. Now starting with the important dates, as you know that the notification for the registration of Maharashtra LAWCET of 5 years has already started, and it started on 18th of January 2024, and the last day to fill the application for this is 18th of February 2024, right? Now, how is this particular examination conducted? The examination is conducted in online mode. The questions are asked in the format of MCQs, right? And what are the different sections and what is the weightage of each section? Now, if you look here, there are in total 5 sections, right? The first section is legal aptitude and legal reasoning, right? Then the second section is general knowledge and current affairs. Remember, it includes both in the same phase. And then logical and analytical reasoning. Then we have English. Then we have basic mathematics, right? Now, if you look at number of questions, legal has 40 questions, GK and current affairs has 30 questions, logical has 40 questions, English have 30 questions, and basic mathematics up to class 10 has 10 questions. Now, each question carries 1 mark and there is no negative marking. So, for every correct answer, you will get 1 mark. So, the total possible marks then becomes 150. Right, so total 150 questions and the total highest maximum attainable score is 150. And the duration of this exam is 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. So in 2 hours, you should be able to complete 150 questions, right? Now, next, if we talk about fee, the fee for general, those who are from general category, it is 800, and for those who are from OBC, SC or ST, right, or any of the reservation category, once you fill the reservation criteria, that means while you are registering, once you reflect that from which particular group you belong to, and if you declare that I am from non-criminal, automatically the applicable fee will be shown to you, right? Now, what are the important colleges that come under this particular exam? That means once you qualify or once you get a good score in this exam, you can expect any of these top 5 law colleges which comes under this exam. There are many other law colleges also which are deemed or which are treated as being at par with some of the good lower tier NLUs. So if you look at the colleges which are offered under this particular examination, the first would be definitely the Government Law College Mumbai, followed by, or I would say just maybe inch next to GLC Mumbai would be Indian Law Society Law College Pune, that is ILS Pune, ILS Law College Pune. Then we have Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, BAMU, this is also in Mumbai. Then we have St. Wilford College of Law, Mumbai, and then we have Manikchand Pahade Law College, Mumbai. Now, what is so special about these colleges, or specifically since I am stating a lot of Mumbai colleges, what is that which makes these colleges better, right, compared to any of the lower tier NLUs? I would say that the location, right? If you look, Mumbai is a hub, especially the Bombay High Court stands as one of the flag bearer of any of the High Court level practice. So if you look at the colleges in Mumbai, they tend to offer very good exposure ecosystem for those who want to intern while they are studying, right? And being financial hub of the country as well, it offers a lot of opportunity. So opportunity wise, internship and exposure opportunity wise, this is a very good choice. MH-LAWCET is very good choice. Now, what is timing? Timing, as I have told you, that this exam has to be completed within 2 hours, and the marking scheme is for every correct option you will get 1 mark, and for every wrong answer there is no deduction. That means no matter how many questions you put it wrong, so your aim should be to attempt maximum questions or all the 150 questions, since there is no negative marking. Then we have questions will be provided. That means question will appear in both English as well as Marathi. Now, if you look at the syllabus, right, section by syllabus, let's read the section by syllabus. The first section with 40 questions was legal aptitude and legal reasoning. In this, there will be principal facts based question, as we have been training our students at Abhyaas Lawprep, right, rigorously about this particular thing, that is principal facts based question, wherein a principle is provided and the application of that principle to fact is tested through this particular set of questions, right? So those kind of questions will be visible in the first part, that is legal aptitude and legal reasoning. Now, the second one being general knowledge with current affairs. General knowledge with current affairs means that there is no as such demarcation of how many questions of general knowledge will be asked or how many will be current affairs, or will there be purely current affairs or general knowledge, right? It can be anything, but the topics such as history, ancient, medieval, modern, geography, general sciences, economics, civics and current affairs of the past 1 year, that means starting from May of the last year, that means May 2023 to April 2024, you have to be prepared with your current affairs. Mostly, it so happens that something, even if they are asking the static portion of general knowledge, they will be asking questions which are related to current affairs. So, go through all the static portion of history or static portion of geography, which is somewhere related to the current affairs that you have seen in news between May 2023 to April 2024. Right? Then logical and analytical reasoning, mostly puzzle based questions appears in this particular section. Then you will be seeing questions based on sets and Venn diagram. You will be seeing questions based on sitting arrangement. You will be seeing questions based on blood relations, number system, coding, decoding. Right? Apart from that, in logical reasoning, you can be also asked about, say, premise, inference, conclusions, arguments, assumptions, and all these things as well. Now, what is the demarcation again between logical, purely verbal and analytical? It's not given here, right? Then we talk about English and basic mathematics. In English, you will be tested in areas like vocabulary, synonyms and analogies, then proficiency in idioms, phrases, one word substitution, sentence improvement. All these things are tested. All these things will be tested, and we will provide a link of these particular things in detail in the description so that you can have a look again, right? Then English comprehension with minimum 2 passages followed by 5 to 10 questions that test reading and reasoning ability will also be asked. So you can see comprehension, minimum of 10 comprehension based questions, and apart from that, the rest being in the format of one word substitution or analogy, synonyms, that can be like one sentence kind of question, right? In basic mathematics, up to 10th class, the standard would be of that up to 10th class. So up to 10th class level of maths you have to prepare. This include basic calculations, right? That means board mass application, basic mathematical operations. Then you have simple interest, compound interest, and there are few other topics which has been already taught in class, and the same is provided in your various textbooks as well, right? So you can follow simply the law prep, Abhyaas Lawprep textbooks. That would be more than enough for the mathematics as well. Right, with that we come to end. If you have any queries, please use the comment box to ask us and our team will get back to you. With that, I end this video. Thank you so much.